Hi Mom and Dad, here's a video, just got off the phone with you. Told you I'd take a little video from around the farm, so we'll take a little walk around what's going on. Here's the front little center island. And all these tulips regenerated and came back. Susie's got different jumps and fun stuff out in the outdoor arena. The trees are just barely starting to bud out right now. Back over here you can see I planted this row of arborvitae over here. Walk up over this way. So we got a bunch of these all planted with a 3-foot space. They go all the way up to the corner. That'll help protect from the highway a little bit. And then this is the little area I was talking about that I graded around. It's off our master bedroom. It had some weird landscaping. So we just kind of smoothed out the hill. Now we got grass seed on it. We just need the grass to grow. Here is Croy's swimming hole, all patched in. And stuff's coming up along the barn. Susie's got some hanging baskets. Some really nice tulips, a very excited puppy dog. Here is the concrete that we poured, with the drain that goes out towards the landing. Then all of her stuff is coming up alongside the barn here too. We've got, I don't know what all this is, but it's coming up. And flower boxes are filling in nice. And over at Vic's pasture, we'd redone the opening and redid the fencing at one point, and then painted his shelter. Got rid of the chicken coop. And then this weekend we cleaned up, got a dumpster and cleaned up the side of the barn and got rid of all the garbage that was over there. Come on, Croy. We've got gross rhubarb coming up. Raspberries. We've got a few strawberries, not many, in the strawberry patch. The pear trees are blooming nice. Got a pear tree there and there. And the apple trees are getting close. So we got these and the one with the white I just planted today. Crabapple tree is about ready to pop. We put a gate in up at the other end of the backyard to go out to the horses. Sorry if that doesn't come into focus very well. And then my blueberries are full of blooms, about ready to pop with blueberries. So, should be a fun year. Love you guys. Talk to you later.